The Buddha nature. The Buddhist scriptures state that everything has a Buddha nature. Do I have a Buddha nature? One disciple asked his master in the monastery. No, you don't have a Buddha nature, the master responded. Do trees, rivers, and mountains have a Buddha nature? The disciple continued asking. Yes, trees, rivers, and mountains all have a Buddha nature, the master replied. Do cats and dogs have a Buddha nature? Yes, cats and dogs. Everything in the whole wide world has a Buddha nature. If everything has a Buddha nature, why don't I have a Buddha nature? Asked a confused disciple. Because you are asking.